You're watching EDS TV. How are the camera's tire tread looking? It looks like he hydroplaned. He handled that as well as I could've. What matters is that he isn't hurt. Those electric scooter things are like little mobile Darwin Award giver outers. I'm glad that it wasn't more serious. The driver tried to make a left turn from the right lane, stopping in the middle of the road with no indication. It did cost thousands of dollars in damage. This is why I keep my head on a swivel at intersections, both on my feet and behind the wheel. We all want to go home at the end of the day. An idiot for sure, but does the grab rail need to extend as far out as it does? If only someone would paint lines on the road to indicate when it isn't safe to change lanes, am I right?
Oh, so 7:30 then. Okay.
Right blinker, check. Doesn't complete the turn, check. Suddenly veers over to the left for a U-turn, check. Blames the camera afterwards for hitting them? Probably check. The douche sped up to then cut the camera off instead of waiting till he passed. So sorry this happened to the biker. I just cringed seeing it. He was just doing his thing and the idiot strikes. Thankfully, the biker is now fully recovered. I'm guessing they thought they needed to go right and then doubted it at the last second at the worst place.
Oh my god.
This lunatic honks and then runs a red light. How insane. It's as if he was warning others that he was running the red. That truck was tailgating, got brake checked, and darted into the camera's lane without looking. The camera, in my opinion, did nothing wrong. Why would the camera just drive off and not check for damage or get their information? Probably doesn't care about his car whatsoever. A good defensive driver would have acknowledged his signal and let him in. The camera sped up almost as if he wanted him to hit him. This is just a guess, but I think those two had some rage going on already. Well, on the bright side of things, at least they're out of the street. A literal idiot. Bonus for the person in front cutting the corner so much as well. This convenient comp catches a careless Chevy. Do you like the alliteration I just did?
In 1.9 miles, turn right onto East 5900 South.
The camera's braking game could use some work, but yeah, never trust someone to turn into their closest lane. The Mustang was flying and nearly rear-ended the camera. He then takes off as soon as a gap opens. Karma was just and swift here.
Thank you for watching. Please consider liking, commenting, and subscribing because it really helps me. If you'd like me to feature one of your clips, please email it to originalddsTV2@gmail.com.